Hello, welcome back. Today, look at live analysis on a blog site. Now, go to smartgifted.com. Once you just search that and you search for Paystack live analysis, you'll notice an analysis is being popped up. And if you see, this is the analysis. You can have an extended view of it now. This is a Paystack analysis live preview. You could see the various um, tweets that are being made. Now you could select or sort the tweets by different regions. Like this is Abuja, Nigeria. Now, all these are various analysis from different regions. Now, I could leave that one and I could search by maybe names, and you could search as much as you want. You could do some exploratory analysis here, and you see these analysis are being changed dynamically. You click on Paystack, you could see the analysis changing here and there based on it. Now this is on a blog site, so this is a cool feature. If you want to learn how to do this, keep watching and subscribe. And also in the comment section, when you get to this place, you can tell me what other analysis you want to see like this. Thank you very much, and see you in another one.